Hello guys, are you ready to make fun games with me? In this series, I will show you how to make a car parking games. And are you excited? So let's begin and see how I make a car parking game in code.org. And do you think it is not it is not quite tough? It is really easy. It is not hard. And you will observe that this is a unique game. This is a unique and some technique and some axial technique to how to rotate a car, how to rotate, what logic I will use to what logic I will use to rotating a car when I press up plus arrow keys like right arrow keys and left arrow keys. So, are you energetic to feel to going make new games with me like car parking game? So come on and see how I will do that. Okay, let's begin. So this is the game that we are going to make in code.org. Code.org. Uh, I have previously made car parking game on Scratch. So let's see how it works. This is so fun and exciting to play. What happened when we hit the cars and walls? See, when we hit the walls, it says crash, and we hit the car, it says crash. And let's me show that what happened when we park the car on the parking position. It says complete and turn the game into next level. So let's guys show your creativity on code.org. So let's begin the coding on code.org. Hey guys, my spirit's project is open, and why this I need a spirit which called mm, not needed to change a name. Changes change this spirits by car. In code.org, 5 cars is already defined. Let's select this car and a key, and this key will create my required position. Let's click here, and now first need when I click up arrow, right arrow, down or left arrow. So for this logic, I need a event. Okay, when we click up or right or down or up, this will call the event. So let's go on event, and when press up, this this will do action. Okay, when press up, uh, let's me search for action. Move forward. Move forward 3 pixel. Is required. It is important to select a car. So let's me check. No. Mm, I need a behavior spirits begins and select this spirits. What is spirit begins? To move forward. Okay, so let's be action and move. Mm, mm, I have to create a behavior. Yeah, I have to create a behavior. Create a behavior and let's change new name your behavior to up arrow. And when in logic, I select if I don't need this. When I press up arrow, it's moving. In action, let me select moving approx 5 pixel to north. No, I not these blocks. I need forward blocks. So let me choose a forward moving 10 pixel to north. No, moving 10 pixel forward. Let me change to 5 and it's perfect. So let me check by going to behavior and I name this to up arrow. So let's find a up arrow. This is a perfect up arrow which I required. So check me it's work or not. So it's working, but it's going to this direction. So I will see it later. Before that I need a direction. See, if we are turning the car right or left, okay, if we are turning or rotating a car, we need a direction. Okay, we need a direction. So let me put a direction. Set this spirit movement direction to 270. Okay, let's check this. Yeah, it's working. I tell the code that we need a movement direction. Our games required a movement direction and a total direction required to 270. Okay, this is a this is a unique number. So you don't change. So this is a perfect unique direction. I am going to create a second code block uh, that tells the computer when I click the left arrow key, so it turn the car left, rotate the car to left direction. So first we need an event. When we event a left arrow key, so let me create a code blocks, and when we press the left arrow key is start the behavior. To start the behavior and important to select the cars. Yeah, it is very important to select the card spirit and begins with, and what begins with it begins the car to rotating. So let's me create a behavior. Okay, we need to create a behavior. So I'm going to the logic and we need a if when we create when we click, when we press, what press, when we press left. So what happens when we press left? Car is going to rotate in left direction. So we need an action, and we need an action of change. So let me find a change. Yeah, it's perfect. change movement direction. Okay. Mm, change movement direction to -3. Let's me check it is working or not. Before this, name your behavior to left arrow. Left, left arrow. Okay, let's me check it is working or not. I name this to left arrow. Let's me find where is left arrow. Up arrow. Yeah, here it is, left arrow. I am going to up arrow key, and now I am going to left arrow key. Yeah, it's working, but it's not rotating the car to the left. Okay, so let's me create a new um, mm, okay, change this spirit movement direction. Okay, fine. We need another action, and also we need a change action. So what we have to change? We have to change the rotation. Put this blocks below the movement direction, and we need to change the rotation to -3. Okay, and important to change spirit to this spirit. Yeah, it is very important. So now we try what happens. Yeah, it's working. So similarly we have to do for the right arrow. Okay, we need event. When we press right arrow, we spirit start begins with spirit is start, and which spirit? The car spirit. It starts begins with in from behaviors. We need to create a behaviors, and name your behavior to our right arrow. In logic unit we need a if. In logic unit, when we press the right okay, when we press a right, what going to happen? We need a action to change the change the movement direction to 3. Okay, and this is important to why this spirit. And another thing, we have to set code blocks to change in action. Change by this we need to this spirit. Change rotation to 3. Okay, let me check. Yeah, we need to set the code blocks. I name this to right arrow. So where is right arrow? Okay, let me check. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay guys, let me show you. I have a one problem with this coding. What a problem? Let me show you. When I press up arrow key and turning right or left, it's working fine. But what happened what happened when I'm not pressing up arrow key and press left or right? So see, it's working. But beyond this, we don't need this. Beyond this, I will need when I am going to up direction, and only if I press up is rotating a car. When we press left or right, only if I press up direction, it will rotate a car. Not rotate a car if I will not press up direction with left or right. So understand my feeling what I have to say. So what's problem is begins I will show you. So see, we don't know we not this car is so crash coding, the coding is seems will crash. So for this let's change the some codes which I previously I have made. So okay, fine. Is when press left arrow key, spirit's car begins with right arrow. Let's edit this and if I press left arrow, okay, so let me add left arrow plus up arrow. Okay, now for the right, when press right, I need to change the behavior. Then press both up arrow and as well as right arrow. Okay, let's me select the both up arrow and right arrow and let me check what happened. It's working fine or not. So yeah, it's working fine. No, it's 1 minute. Hey, 1 minute. We need to this block set movement direction 270. We need to attach a change attachment. I attach set movement direction to make new spirit with it now. Okay, let's me check it's will working fine or not. Yeah, it's working fine. So well done guys, we have finishing the first level, that car movement. So in next class I will change some code blocks to improve the working car movement. Like a real car is work when we accelerate, its speed up goes gradually, means speed is increasing, number of times speed is increasing. So fine guys, we will meet in next class and join my channel and don't miss my updates. So think positive and energetic and so let's you try your own and it is very important to try yourself. Okay, so feel positive and you will be done and yeah, go and make some fun with working with new game coding. Okay, so best of luck guys. Bye, I will see you on next video.